Beating inflation with credit card points. Hey, I'm Caleb Paddock, the founder of 10 Talents Financial Planning, and today we're talking about something that's kind of a fringe topic, kind of a sideline hobby topic, but it's using credit card points to be able to quote unquote beat inflation and help pay for some of your travel. So how does this work? Well, typically you open a credit card, you qualify for it, and as part of the sign up bonus, you either receive points as part of the sign up, or if you hit certain spending limits, you receive points within 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So is this something you should be looking at? Well, like everything, it depends. You're gonna need to be someone that's pretty good at understanding the fine print and how the cards work. Obviously, if they have spending requirements, do you already spend that kind of money? Or are there ways you could spend that? If you have large purchases coming up, maybe you could use the card for annual insurance payments, homeowners, auto, umbrella. If you make all those payments in a lump sum, maybe you could hit those spending limits, but you don't wanna be overspending, right? Just manufacturing spending out of nowhere that you wouldn't normally spend just to get points. It kind of defeats the purpose where you're spending more to get these points, even if they have great conversion rates. The second thing is you're gonna wanna have a system, a spreadsheet, an app to be able to track this. If you do this with 1 or 2 or 3 cards, the more you add or the more you do this, the more confusing it can get to know, like, wait a minute, when did we open this? Have we hit our limit to reach the points, etc., etc. And the last thing is you're gonna wanna understand how the points are redeemed. This is a complicated labyrinth of where can we transfer the points? Where do they convert? Airlines, hotels, and otherwise. So make sure you do the due diligence to understand how you can use them, because if you travel domestically or internationally, you're gonna wanna be pretty confident that where you like to travel or where you want to travel is gonna honor the points, or the hotel chain or the airline carrier is the one that you want to use, that you already use. So I think this is a topic where you want to do some due diligence up front, and then once you have it in place or you've taken this out for your spending to reach the point goals, that you have a system in place. So speak to your financial advisor about this if you haven't already, because they can be an accountability partner to help with check-ins, with quarterly check-ins. I meet with my clients quarterly. This is something that we can put on our radar of like, hey, have you hit that? Have you redeemed those? Have you gone on that vacation, right? Because that's ultimately what you gotta do. You gotta actually go, you gotta take the time to actually enjoy that. But it can be a great way using the points to pay for airlines, hotels that can cut down on the cost and make those trips a lot more affordable. So thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate you watching. Bye-bye now.